no? I told you. Now you turn on your camera, everyone. Meet Virani, turn on your camera. Okay, I'm going to present my screen here. If we are solving here the QR code activity in the class, so the base motive is to make you understand what is in the QR code activity. If you are doing here, then no need to do it again because maybe some of you face difficulty to open it. Am I clear? Then no need to do it again. Just try to understand here and I will explain you how to do that activity. And what is that in that activity. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah, in
ma'am.
this screen, there is this practice time because if you are opening, it is asking for many of the formalities. So it's okay, don't do it. Look here, I'm going to explain you. Practice time, cards and seal assessment. Here, the sheet will open of the assessment. Now, here you need to click this blue arrow to see all the questions carefully. In which of the following figure the dotted line represent the diameter of the given circle?
Ma'am,
A, B, A, B, C, D. A. So we will go to Rishik, leave my class.
Why, ma'am?
The child who was saying A. Which
Ma'am,
one
I
was saying? That child will, sorry Rishik if you were not there. The child who was saying A will leave my class, please. We click A answer. Go to the arrow, right? Next answer. Go to this blue button. See the questions carefully. Which of the following objects cannot be used to trace a circle? A jar, glass, or this jug, or this perfume bottle. So what you say, students?
ma'am, the perfume bottle.
Perfume bottle.
perfume bottle.
Perfume
Yes.
bottle.
Go to the next. Again, the next question will come. And this question practically you have to do. Observe your surrounding and list any 5 items which can be used to draw a circle. We have already done like bangle, coin, bottle cap. This we have
Yes,
collected
ma'am.
and we have done this activity. So
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
write that you have already done. So you can write yes, we have done. So go to the next. Go to the next button. Now they are saying next question is diameter of a circle is 20 centimeter. What is the radius of the plate?
10 centimeter.
10 centimeter.
Go to the 10 centimeter. Go to next. Chirag and his friends are standing in a circle around a tree. If Chirag is standing closest to the tree, could the tree be the center of the center circle?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
Yes. So the answer is no. And go to the next question. Here also they are giving you use a compass and colorful pencils and draw the circles in this way. So can you give me idea how you are going to draw this circle
Yes, ma'am, I
Ma'am,
know.
with compass.
with compass? How you will
Ma'am,
what
I
will
know.
be yes Priya, can you give me the idea how you are going to draw the circle which is one small circle then big circle then big circle? What is the
First,
basic thing?
first we
Hmm.
have to use compass and
Hmm.
and take the centimeter. Like 4
Yes.
centimeter, then we will trace. Then 1 centimeter, 5. Then 6. Like that we will make
See,
circle.
either first you make the big circle and then inside you make the small circles of the smaller radius. And if you are trying with the smaller radius, suppose you are taking the small radius which is of 2 centimeter. So your first circle will be of 2 centimeter this way. This way you make the 2 centimeter circle. Yes, with the center. Suppose now you want to draw the bigger circle which is around this circle. So the radius will be little bigger, either 3 or the 4 centimeter. Then for 5 or the 6 centimeter, because from this center you are going to increase this length which will be the radius of the circle. Got it? Clear? Either you can make or either you can make first the big circle and inside then you can now decrease the radius and make the circles inside. So there are two different ways to make the circle. So this you will do in the notebook, and right now we are clicking yes that you are going to do
Yeah.
it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in my
Okay,
now
this is
I
done.
can do it.
Okay, this is done. This much exercises only. Clear, everyone?
Ma'am, in mobile I cannot do it. In computer I tried. So now in computer
Yes.
I can do it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Fill the form, then we can only do it.
Hmm. Okay. Are you all clear with the QR code activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I move to the next chapter now?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
just.
Okay.
Ma'am,
What is?
my QR code activity isn't opening only.
That's the reason I told you. No, we are doing it here. You listen here. You were not there that time.
No, ma'am.
So sorry. Join on time. We did it here right now. And turn on your camera. I'm not teaching your logos. Meer Virani, Di, Kush, Di, Varinya, Bhakti. And please take a note of it. If you sit with your camera off, you will be graded according to that. Don't
Ma'am, my
expect the
camera
teacher
is
will give you
on.
the A grade always. Teacher will not give you A grade.
My camera is on.
No, it is on now. It was not on when I was calling your name. So, the chapter number 9, halves and quarters. What do you understand by the word half?
Ma'am, fraction.
Half का मतलब fraction. Okay.
Ma'am, half means
half
half
of
of full.
Yeah, half of anything. Simple meaning
Half
is
of
half
anything.
anything.
Like
Yes.
half of cake.
Half of cake. Okay. Half.
Ma'am, and quarters of cake is
Yes.
half is quarter.
Half is quarter. You are right.
Yes,
Meer
ma'am.
Virani, I am going to remove you now from my class.
It's 6:30.
Janya, you are not at your place. Janya, you are not at your place. You are enjoying somewhere else. Janya. Janya, if you not come within 2 minutes, I will remove you from my class. Meer Virani, you also, same way. If you don't turn on your camera, I will remove you.
Ma'am, my camera is on only.
No, it is not on. You're not visible to me. So please turn on your camera.
Ma'am, in my screen I can see.
Please go to settings and please turn on. So we are discussing about what is half. You said half of anything. Like for example, you are giving
Ma'am,
me some examples. Yes, Yuksurana.
half past 6. Half past 6.
Hello, ma'am. Can I log out and log in?
Yes, please. Yes, you.
In time. Half past 6 means
Half past.
6:30.
Okay, that is half past 6 is another thing.
In
Half
time.
past. What is actually half means? I'm not talking about half past. I'm talking about the word half only. What do you mean by the yes, Dheer? What is half?
Ma'am, if there is a full pizza and we cut it in between with a diameter, we get half.
Very good. If we have a full pizza and if we are cutting with the diameter, either sleeping or the standing, we miss the half. And how you will write the half in the fraction?
Ma'am, 1/2. No,
One
sorry,
upon
1/2.
one
One by
upon
two.
or 1/2.
1/2.
Okay.
Quarter
What is
1/4.
fraction? As the word I use the word fraction.
Ma'am,
What do you
repeated
mean?
subtraction.
What do you-
Repeated subtraction.
fraction?
No, ma'am, the fraction is like I have 4 parts of pizza. I have one full pizza. So the total number is called
No, I am only asking what do you mean by the word fraction? Who will give me the meaning of the word fraction? Fraction. Ahana, you know the meaning? Ahana just simply raised the hand, but she is not attentive in the class. Yes, Priyal.
Ma'am, part of whole.
Whole nahi, whole.
Whole. Okay.
Whole
part
means
of
the
whole.
complete thing.
Yes.
Parts of
yes,
whole.
part of whole.
Part of whole Whole means complete thing. The complete ka kuch part is called the fraction.
Fraction.
Got it? Now, how we write the fraction of this half? We write the fraction of half is as 1 upon
1
2.
upon 2.
Why are we writing? You, if you know the answer, raise your virtual hand. Please follow my classroom. Why are we writing 1 is here up and 2 here up? And what are we calling them? They also have a names. First of all, tell me if you know the names of this. The upper number called what and the bottom number called what? Yes, Deep. Meet Pro is
Ma'am, I
not
know
paying
why.
attention. Meet, this is new chapter. Please pay attention in the beginning.
Ma'am, I know why the
Kasodia,
one
Hansel, your camera is off.
down.
Yes, Deer. What is the upper number?
Ma'am, I know why the 1 is up and 2 is down.
Okay, you know that answer. But do you know the names of these?
No, ma'am.
Hit Kasodia, Hansel, turn on your camera, please. Yes, Yuk Surana. Give me.
Ma'am, the upper number is called numerator and the downer number is called decometer.
Decometer nahi, denominator.
Denominator.
Numerator, new, and you knew me, me,
Numerator.
R-A-T-O-R.
Numerator and denominator.
Denominator. Down number is called the denominator. And now my question is, why here is 1 in the numerator and 2 is in the denominator? I want Varinya, Varija, Janya, me, everyone has to participate. Yes, Meer Virani. Why 1 is in the numerator and 2 is in the denominator?
Ma'am, because we have one pizza, so we will write 1 in numerator, and we have made half. We have cut it in half, so now it will 2 piece. So the denominator will 2.
Priyag, can you describe it in the other way?
Yes, ma'am. One
Child is speaking, wait for your turn.
Ma'am, one
Raise
is
your
numerator.
virtual hand.
One is numerator because it is talking about the whole thing.
Out of whole, they are talking about the one part.
Yes, ma'am. And second denominator is that we are dividing into 2 equal parts.
Yes. In denominator always come the total. So here the total parts are 2. And we are talking about the one part. So we write 1 upon 2. So each part is 1 upon 2. Suppose there were 2 friends, Reena and Sheena. And I was having the pizza and I have to divide it into the Reena and Sheena. So each one will get 1 upon 2 part. Means 1 part out of the total 2 parts, and Sheena will also get 1 part out of the total 2 parts.
Yes.
Total will always be the denominator. Okay, now only 1 upon 2 is the half, or is there any other way or any other numbers can also represent the half?
Ma'am, 1
Suppose
upon 4.
1 upon 4.
Dirk, don't jump from 1 upon 2 directly on 1 upon 4. We are on 1 upon 2. We will first discuss all the 1 upon 2 concepts and then we will go 1 upon 4. 1 upon 2 means half, you all know. Is there any other fractions to represent the half? I will give you 2-3 examples, then you try. 4 upon 8 is also half. Out of total 8 parts, we are talking about the 4 parts. So 1 upon 2 is 4 upon 8 is also the half. 16 upon 32 is also the half, because out of total 32 we are discussing about 16 parts. 6 upon 12 is also half. Out of total 12 things or 12 parts, we are discussing about 6 parts. So 6 upon 12 is also half. Suppose there is a friend, I gave 6 upon 12 part to that friend. And there is a pizza, I did 12 equal parts of that. 6 parts I have given to one person and 6 to the other person. So means 6 upon 12 is also the half. Am I clear? Now, 9 upon 8 is wrong, Meet Prohit. That we will do, that with 9 upon 8 ho jayega is tarike
9
se.
upon 18. 9 upon 18.
9 upon 18 is the right answer. Can anyone else? Yes, Kiana.
Ma'am, 7 upon 14.
7 upon 14. Anyone else?
Ma'am,
8 upon 16.
Ahana.
Ma'am, 10 upon 20.
10 upon 20. And children, now I will show you practically also how to simplify this. If we simplify this with the same number, this it will be showing as a 1 upon 2. Means the both the numerator and denominator should come in one table. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Now you can see this is 1 upon 2. Yes, 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32. When it is simplifying, it is showing 1 upon 2.
Yes, ma'am.
9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. You can see it is simplifying and 1 upon 2. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 1 upon 2. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 1 upon 2. When you simplify, you can check that your answer is correct. Yuksurana is correct, 45 upon 90. Yes, you give me the example.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other fraction which
32
represent
by
the fraction?
18 upon 32.
32 by 64. 32 by
32
64.
upon, you use the word 32 upon 64. Someone was saying 18 upon
18 upon
32.
36.
Ma'am, I is right. 15 upon 100.
No, wrong. 50 upon 100 is the right
Yes,
answer.
ma'am. 50 upon.
50 upon 100 is right. So whenever you see your ma'am gives you out of total, if you speak in the class in between, I will not answer you. You have to wait. This is the class rule. You cannot speak in between. When you see the marks you are getting 50 out of 100 means you got the exactly the 50% marks according to the means from 100 you're getting the 50 marks. Yes, just half marks hai total uske.
Yes.
And when there is a 2 marks question and ma'am give you 1 mark, 2 marks में से 1 mark है आपका. It is like this. That is the reason we are learning the fraction so that you can understand the. Now we are going to discuss about what is the quarter. Quarter means, first let me explain and then I will ask the questions from you. Ahana, Diye, Yuksurana, please lower down your hands. Quarter means when you are dividing something into 4 equal parts. Equal parts. Each part is the 1/4 because out of total 4 parts, this is the 1 part. Out of total 4 parts, this is also 1 part. Out of total 4 parts, this is also the 1 part. Out of total 4 parts, this is also the 4 parts. For example, in a party, there are 4 persons who are going to divide this cake. Each one will get 1 upon 4. When you are dividing something with the 4, you will get the quarter. Am I clear? Suppose there are 12 chocolates and you want to distribute to the 4 person. Each will get how many chocolates? Divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Yes.
4 3s are 12.
3. 3 chocolates out of how many chocolates?
12.
12. So 3 upon 12 is also the 1/4. And if you simplify, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, you can check 1/4 is coming. Got it? Now, if you have 16 spoons and you want to distribute quarter spoons to each friend, how many spoons each one will get?
Ma'am, how many spoons you said?
It's written on my board.
Okay. Ma'am, 8 spoons.
8 spoons.
8 will be the half. Quarter I'm telling.
No, ma'am, they will get 4 spoons.
4. And how you write the fraction? 4 upon?
4 upon 16.
Can you give me more example for the quarter?
Ma'am, can I yug?
My written one.
Ma'am, can I? Now 4 upon 16.
Raise your virtual hand. We will
20 upon 40.
20 upon 40 is the half. 20 is the half of 40. If you want to find the quarter of 40, 40 का quarter होता है 10. Because 40 divided by 4 you will give you 10. Always when you're finding the quarter, divided by 4 and the 10 spoons, and if you want to write the fraction for that, 10 upon 40 will be the fraction for that. Got it?
Ma'am, can I give an example, Prayag?
Yes, Prayag.
32, 32 upon 4. So is equals to 8.
8 upon 32
upon
is the
32.
quarter.
Ma'am, can I see example?
Yes? Yes, Deer.
Ma'am, you.
Yes, ma'am. 10,000
Hmm.
10,000 equals to 10,000 upon 4,000.
10,000 upon 4,000. No.
Ma'am,
You
can I
use
see one example?
1,000 upon 4,000.
Ma'am, can I see one example?
Yes, Bhakti.
4 upon 16.
Yes, 4 upon 16. Yes, Laisha.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. I can't understand the quarter, but I can understand the half. So
Quarter means divide that object. Suppose you have 12 objects. Okay. You have 12 objects divided with the 4. So how many objects each one will get? Always when you're finding the quarter of any number, you divide it with the 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3.
yes.
So if you want to write the fraction of that 3 parts, so 3 upon 12,
Yes.
because the total were 12.
Yes.
Got it now?
Yes, because I was confused in that one only.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I say?
Now, no, can I in my class? You have an option of raising hand. Kiana.
Yes, ma'am. 5 upon 10.
No, 5 upon 10 will be half. 10 में से 5 parts.
Yes,
5
ma'am.
upon 20 will be the correct option for the 1 upon 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Means out of 20 objects, you are talking. Suppose there were 20 objects and you want to make the group 4 groups out of the 20, right? So each will get 5. So the fraction will be 5 upon 20.
And if we want to find the fraction, so we have to divide the number.
If you want to find the quarter of that number, suppose आपने quarter find कर लिया, 12 का quarter क्या है? So quarter निकालने के लिए always divided by 4. So 12 का quarter होता है 3. अब इस 3 का fraction लिखना है आपको. So you write 3 upon 12. Why? 3 you distributed to each friend and the total were 12. So if you want to write the fraction, you will say 3 upon 12.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And you can directly say the table of that number 4 times, it will come 12. 3 4s are 12. Suppose if you want to write 6 upon 24, 6 4s are 24. Means there is the 24 का quarter होता है 6. 7 upon 28. 28 objects का quarter होता है 7. 7 की टेबल आपने 4 times बोली तो 28. 28 का quarter होता है 7. If suppose you have 28 chocolates, okay, if you have 28 chocolates and you want to distribute to the 4 friends, so each one will get 7.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any other child want to give me the example for the quarter?
Yes, ma'am.
I. Ma'am, you.
Yes, Hit.
Ma'am,
Hit, give me.
ma'am, 4
Arnav Desai is playing.
100 divided by 25.
Wrong. 25 divided by 100 will be the quarter. 25 upon 100 is the quarter, not 100 upon 25. Yes.
No, I can say.
Hit then
ma'am,
Dev.
100 upon 400.
100 upon 400. Yes. Yes.
Now I
Hit.
can say.
Yes.
88 upon 352.
88. Let me check. 88 when you multiply by 4. Yes, 352.
Ma'am, now I can
Very good. Yes, Laisha.
Ma'am, 9/36.
Yes, 9 upon
Ma'am,
36.
can I Yug?
Yes, Yug.
Ma'am, 500 upon 2000.
2000 is the 500 is the quarter of 2000.
Yes.
Anyone else? Deer. Then Deer, then Ahana, then me. Then we end up, then we go to the next topic. Yes, Deer.
Yes, ma'am. 1,000 upon 4,000.
Yeah. Now lower down your hands. Ahana, you can Deer, lower down your hand, please. Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, 5/20.
Yes. Very good. Now Meet.
Ma'am, 6/30.
No. 6/30 नो 30 के अगर आप 4 पार्ट्स करोगी इक्वली तो एक ग्रुप में कितने आते हैं देखो, क्योंकि क्वार्टर हमेशा यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट इनटू द 4 ग्रुप्स. So 30 things है. If you want to divide it into the 4 groups, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, so many will come. Can you give me the example and do each group में कितने आएंगे? Do it again. Yes, Brayag is right. 300 divided by 1200. Very good. So are you all clear what is the half and what is the quarter? Quarter is not only 1/2 and half, half is not only 1/2. We have seen all the other fraction also is similar to 1/2, but we are seeing them in the different fraction. Like 5/10 is also 1/2. 10/20 is also 1/2. Means if we increase the number, our halves will also increase. If we are not only 1/4 is not only 1/4. 1/4 means is the quarter, half of half ka bhi half. Suppose what is the quarter of 20? 5 because 10 is the half of 20 and 10 ka half hota hai 5, so it will be 5/20. So 5/20 is also equivalent to 1/4. Am I clear? This quarters and halves are clear to you all?
Yes,
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
was saying,
It is very easy.
ma'am, I was also saying 5/20 in chat box. I have written.
Yes. So are you all clear about this? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
I want to present one. Okay. Suppose now I will write something, and you all know that the upper number is the denominator and the down number is the numerator. Now suppose oh sorry, upper number is the numerator and the down number is the denominator. Suppose I have this figure and I have shaded 2 parts. Now I am telling you write the fraction for this, and I am telling you write the fraction for shaded part. So how you will write the fraction for shaded part? If you know, please raise your virtual hand. I'll give you a chance to speak. Kavisha, you are not answering today in the class. What happened, bacha? Yes, Kavisha, you give me how you will write the fraction for shaded part.
Yes, ma'am. 2/5.
Very good. Excellent. Because 2 are the shaded part. So 2 will be the numerator. And total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5 as the denominator. Always remember the total will come in the denominator. Suppose I reverse the question. Reverse means मैं उल्टा कर देती हूँ question को. And I now tell you write the fraction for unshaded part.
Ma'am, then 3/5.
Then it will be 3/5.
3/5.
Total will remain the same. Total will not change. But only the unshaded parts are 3. So it will be 3/5. Am I clear to you all?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I
Now, if
can't understand.
can't understand what you have not understood there.
Ma'am, this unshaded part.
Shaded part is clear.
Yes, no, ma'am.
Shaded part, I'll tell you to write the fraction for shaded part. So in shaded part, there are two shaded parts. So if you want to talk about two shaded parts, suppose there were friends. There were total 5 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. No, I will change this question. So there are total 5 parts. I have divided that. Out of that total 5 parts, this 2 parts I am giving to Kiana. So these are the shaded part which I am giving to Kiana. So how much part of these total 5 parts I am giving to Kiana?
2, ma'am, 2 parts.
2 parts I am giving. So 2 will be the numerator and total will be the denominator, which is 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it? And suppose if I reverse this question and if I tell you what part of the thing I have not given to Kiana,
So, ma'am, it will be 3 upon 5.
it will be 3 upon 5. Or what part of the fraction is not shaded, the unshaded part of fraction likhna hai. So you will write 3 upon.
3 upon 5.
Am I clear till here?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I tell an example?
Yes, please tell Priya.
Ma'am, I had done in workbook the rectangle one and ma'am, can you see?
Yeah, let me pin you. Yes, you have done in this way. Okay.
So the shaded part will be 2 upon 5 and the unshaded part will be 3 upon 5.
Okay, good. Suppose now I am giving you a figure and here this is done. And now I am writing here 2 upon 4 and I am telling you to shade the part according to the given fraction. How many parts you will shade? Please,
Ma'am, 2 parts.
Yug will not speak. Yug is not having the class discipline. This is the fraction. According to the given fraction, you have to shade the parts. Yes, Varija. How many parts you will shade? 4 are the total. Only see the numerator and shade according to the numerator. My board is not visible to you?
Ma'am, 6 is the answer.
No, my dear. Why you are adding them? I'm telling. Just this is the figure. Okay. There is a pizza. You did the 4 equal parts. And you gave Rishik 2 upon 4. So how much part you have given to Rishik? 2 upon 4. So out of this, how many parts you have given to Rishik? You are not speaking. Your mic is off.
2 slices.
2 slices. So you will shade 2 slices, which is given to Rishik. Do you know this 2 upon 4 is something else also? When you see this figure, is 2 upon 4 is equal to what?
6.
No. 2 upon 4 is similar as, out of 4 parts, you are 2 parts you are getting. Varija, why are you guessing just? Why are you not understanding the concept behind this? Is this just guessing? 6, 8. There are total 4 parts. You gave 2 parts to Rishik.
Ma'am, half.
Just now I explained this is just an half. So this is same as 1 upon 2 fraction. Got it, everyone? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Because 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. When you simplify, it will be 1 upon 2. And in the figure also you can see, I have shaded the half exactly. Am I clear? Yes, no one will leave the class, students. Let me take the attendance.
Quiz?
No one will leave the class, please stay.
Can we play quiz?
We will play Bhakti, but wait. This is clear to you all?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I am going.
But when there is 2 upon 4, so we have to shade the
Two parts
according to
to
the
the numerator.
numerator. So we can shade any 2.
Any two.
Okay.
It is not compulsory that you can shade these two only. You can shade any two this way also, or you can shade this and this also. Any two. Any two parts are similar to 2 upon 4. Okay. Very good question Kiana asked. This way you can show the interest that you are paying attention in the class. Okay. Now I'm going to show you one worksheet which I'm going to send you today. That is based on the concept which we have done today.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am. That Kiana asked you the question. It can be half. It can be half of.
Yes, I did the full 4 total equal parts. So means each part is equal. Each part is similar. Then only it will be divided into 4 equal parts.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
But
if I give these two to Rishik, then also same. If I give these two to Rishik, then also means half I am giving. If I give these two, then also means half I am giving. Yes. Wait, I will practically show you. Let me stop the presentation then. See, this is the 1/4 part, which is the quarter part. The other name of 1/4 is quarter. This is also the quarter. 2 quarters makes the half.
yes, ma'am.
Same way, I am adding this. Now there are total 4 quarters make the full. Got it? Quarter of anything means you have to divide it by 4. So here are the 4 quarters. If I give these 2 parts to Rishik, then also it is making half.
Ma'am, but we do the slanting line then.
Yeah, slanting line means we this part and this part.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you take this part, also makes the 4 half. This part,
ma'am.
if this part I bring it here, makes the half.
No, ma'am.
Why not? No.
Because half is equals to equal part and it is not equal.
It is equal. Equally divided, then only the each part is the 1/4. No?
Yes, ma'am. Now I understand.
Understood? Then only each part is 1/4 because it is equally divided into the 4 parts. तो फिर आप कोई से भी 2 parts को मिला लो, it makes the half. Either this or this if you take, it makes the half. It makes the half.
Okay, ma'am. Now I
Any parts if you take, it makes the half.
Remove from any object.
Yes. This also make the half. Suppose same way if you do in the pizza also, when you are dividing equally into 4 parts, फिर कोई से भी 2 parts आप उसको दे दो, it will make the half. But it should remind it should be equally divided. Got it? Clear everyone?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to present my screen. We are continuing our HNM here only. Okay? I'm going to present my screen, the worksheet which I'm going to send you today. Sorry, it is not visible here. Sorry, students, it is right now not here in the this. I will send you. It is based on that only. You have to see the fraction and color the parts, or in one you have to see the colored part and write the fraction. There are two different questions given. Okay, students.
Okay, ma'am.
So be there here only. I'll stop the recording. Don't leave the class.